What's up everybody, it's your boy Godswill, back with another video. And let me tell you, we're about to dive into some seriously life-changing stuff. I'm talking about making money online and not just pennies, we're talking about real bank account swelling cash. Now I know what you're thinking, Godswill, isn't everyone talking about making money online? And you're right, but here's the twist, we're unlocking the power of ChatGPT to make it happen. This AI tool is changing the game, and today I'm breaking down the top 5 ways you can use it to build your own online empire. Get ready to have your minds blown because this is going to be epic. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and let's jump right into it. First up, we're talking about freelance writing and content creation. Now, I'm no Hemingway, but even I can see the potential here. With ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality articles, blog posts, website content, you name it, faster than ever before. Imagine cranking out article after article, each one optimized for SEO and ready to rake in the views. Clients are always looking for fresh content, and with ChatGPT as your secret weapon, you'll be drowning in gigs. We're talking serious side hustle potential. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, write outlines, and even generate entire drafts. It's like having a 24/7 writing assistant at your fingertips. Next level, hustle ChatGPT-powered chatbots. These aren't your grandma's chatbots, guys. We're talking about sophisticated AI that can handle customer service, answer questions, and even close deals, all while you're chilling by the pool. Businesses are desperate for this tech, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. Learn how to build these bad boys, and you've got yourself a recipe for serious recurring income. Imagine creating a chatbot once and having it generate leads and sales for you 24/7. That's the beauty of ChatGPT. It's like having an army of digital workers at your command. Chapter 3. Alright, knowledge seekers, this one's for you. Ever thought about sharing your expertise with the world? With ChatGPT, you can become a super tutor or coach, offering personalized learning experiences tailored to each student. Imagine creating interactive lessons, quizzes, and study guides all powered by ChatGPT's AI smarts. Students are craving personalized learning, and you can be the one to provide it. Plus, with ChatGPT handling the administrative tasks, like scheduling and progress tracking, you can focus on what matters most: helping your students succeed. Chapter 4. Calling all tech wizards and aspiring entrepreneurs. Did you know you can create and sell your own ChatGPT-powered applications? We're talking next-level tools and software that solve real-world problems. Imagine building a language learning app that uses ChatGPT to provide real-time feedback and personalized lessons. Or how about a marketing tool that generates killer content and automates social media posts? The possibilities are limitless. With ChatGPT as your foundation, you can create apps that are both powerful and profitable. Chapter 5. Last but not least, let's talk about affiliate marketing. We all know the power of a good recommendation, and with ChatGPT, you can take your affiliate game to the next level. Imagine creating content that seamlessly integrates relevant product recommendations, all powered by ChatGPT's AI brain. No more spending hours researching and writing product reviews. ChatGPT can do it for you. From blog posts to social media captions, ChatGPT can help you weave in affiliate links naturally and effectively, boosting your earning potential without being pushy. Outro, and there you have it. 5 incredible ways to make money online in 2025 using ChatGPT. I told you we were going to dive into some game-changing stuff. Remember, the future is all about working smarter, not harder. And with ChatGPT in your corner, the possibilities are endless. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and build a life you love, then hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and get ready for more money-making tips and tricks coming your way. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. Until next time, peace out.